Yeah.
So this moment, as we sit there and gaze up to Atlassian's tower, you know, the lift core now at level 26, it'll go up another 14 stories up to about 40 floors in total, being home to the 4-ish thousand Atlassians that have a connection to Sydney. And while it plays an important role as a workplace, I think more importantly for this neighborhood and for the ambitions of Tech Central as an innovation district, it's also that beacon of what the future looks like. I think that's for me what I'm so appreciative and excited about the realization of this building means for this district. We need inspiration. We need a vision for where we're going to, and this forms part of it. Particularly, and I give huge credit to Mike and Scott in not just building a building, but one with such ambition about it. As you can see as you look up and see the timber floors and sections starting to come together. This is the tallest hybrid timber building in the world.
Oh, really?
It has the lowest embedded carbon of any building of its type in Australia, in the Southern Hemisphere. I don't know about the world. That's something for me to remember for next time. But it speaks to the ambition. But also, as we stand here in Henry Dean Plaza in an empty set of buildings, it also reinforces the challenge of where we are right now in a post-COVID workplace world. There was a very bold vision to complement the vision of Atlassian with 2 additional towers that would go up on this site. In the world post-COVID, the need for that quantum of floor space for companies isn't there. The economic driver to continue to redevelop this neighborhood isn't there. And so we're in a flux moment to grapple with what the future of this space will become. Because it's a really important element as we welcome some of our best and brightest down to this part of the neighborhood. What does their workplace experience look like? You have some of that in the tower, but it's equally important. As we've explored today, it's that experience in the ground plane which is so important. And the thing that we work carefully with government, with the city, we're in the midst of trying to make a pitch to the federal government for why place matters in the context of innovation. And we'll continue to advocate strongly for, yes, it's about the very big, but it's actually about investing in place, investing in ecosystem, that $1 billion of tower will do something quite catalytic, as will $1 million on enabling better meetups, in forging connections between the front-end developers that are 1 year into their life at Canva or Atlassian with the kids that are finishing their last year of computer science or engineering. It's that flow of people, that exchange of ideas, which is so important to realizing the vision of an innovation district.